In 7 days, I'm going to Dubai, and I came up with a great idea to do a 7-day challenge in this time. So I was scrolling around on social media and I saw people talking about
TikTok Shop affiliate.
TikTok Shop.
and how much money you could make within a week of doing TikTok Shop affiliate from scratch, and show you guys whether TikTok Shop affiliate really is as crazy as people make it out to be. And the goal is to see if I can make over £250 in this 7 days. And just so you know, before we start this challenge, while I have had some success on TikTok, I have never done TikTok Shop affiliate. And also, I'm going to be doing this 100% faceless. And that is pretty much it. So I guess I'll catch up with you guys on day one. Today is the start of day one of a challenge, and I literally just made my first video. I got up a little bit earlier to make this video because today is really busy and I haven't prepared for this challenge at all. I literally decided yesterday I wanted to try out this challenge. So yeah, this is the only supplement I really have right now that I can even make videos about. It's WorldGuard's collagen, and this has previously done very well on TikTok Shop. However, at the minute, it is literally cheaper on Amazon, so I'll be very surprised if I do make any sales on this first day. Later, I'm going to try and order in some products off Amazon so they come quickly so I can make some videos about them. But I'll keep you guys updated, I suppose, throughout the day with how it goes with me posting that first video. Okay, right, so it's now 5 PM on the first day. Like I say, today been a pretty busy day. I was out this morning, went to a gym, then I also had to do some stuff to do with the YouTube channel and just different things aside from this TikTok challenge. But in the meantime, what has happened is the first video did get a strike straight away, which was pretty annoying. However, I did manage to appeal it and it seems to have been let through. It was basically because I was saying collagen powder helps with acne, which isn't like proven, but then I just sent them a screenshot of a thing from Google saying that collagen powder helps with acne, and they seem to have approved it. However, the annoying thing is the video's on 900 views, and the majority of those views that the video got was when the product wasn't linked, because obviously it was a violation, so they had to remove the link to the product. Now with that being said, like I say, on this first day, it is simply just, I haven't prepared at all. So I've gone around my house trying to find some more products that are gonna probably give me some less problems. The only one that I have seen really do okay on TikTok in terms of faceless TikTok is this thing. However, the commissions on this are rubbish, so I don't think it's going to do very well. But I am going to try and see what I can do with this. I've also got this thing, but once again, I think I have problems with this. You kind of need to show your own progress if you're going to claim that something helps with acne. So if I was going to show this, I'd have to be like, oh, this helped clear my skin. Here's day 1, here's day 7. So yeah, and I've also got this, which is creatine. I'm not sure how this would do on a faceless page. It's mainly just see gym guys promoting this, but these are all things I can try in the meantime. I have actually done some research on some products that are doing quite well right now using Calo data, and I'm going to try and order some of them for Amazon so I can get them for tomorrow and make some videos on them tomorrow. However, in the meantime, I'm going to try and make some videos with these different things just because I want to keep that momentum going and I don't just want to post one video on the first day. So I've got a couple more hours today that I can spend on this TikTok page. Probably not going to spend too much time because there are still some other things that I need to get done, but I'll at least hopefully have enough time to spend 2 more hours making videos for this page that I can go and post tonight and then also tomorrow to see if I can make my first sale and get this challenge up and running. Okay, so it's currently about 12 o'clock and that brings us to the end of a day for day 1. And I did only manage to upload 2 videos today. So far I've made no sales and the videos have got about 1,000 views each. With that being said, I know for there to even be a chance of me seeing any results really with TikTok Shop, especially in this short of a time period, I need to be posting at least 5 times a day. So unfortunately today I didn't have enough time to get as many videos out as I would have liked. But I did also make 1 extra video that I'm going to then post tomorrow morning. So hopefully tomorrow morning I can hit my 5 posts for the day. I think I need to try and change my strategy a little bit and maybe make some less effort videos. Obviously that way I can get more videos out. So I'm going to try and mix up, have some higher quality ones, have some less quality ones and see how that goes. So yeah, so far today 0 sales. I've got just under 2,000 views in total at the minute on the page. So not really expecting any sales, especially considering the majority of the views on one of the videos came at a time where there was no link to any product. However, obviously today as well, I was limited with the products I did have. So I have ordered a product on Amazon. I did try and order 2 products, 2 of the products that are trending right now, but one of them was saying it was going to come on September the 8th. So I was like, there's no point in me ordering that. So yeah, I ordered a product on Amazon that cost me £10 just so I can have it tomorrow. And then I also ordered some things to help me film. So in total, I spent around £24. Just for some extra equipment to try and make my videos better. Once again, you guys don't need to do this. This is just simply because I'm on a smaller time scale and these little tiny things are just little investments back into the business. So I thought, why not, let's give it a go and try some different things like having a harness and then also some different lenses for my camera. With that being said though, I did request 1 free product from this company, Free Soul, and even though I've literally posted 2 videos on my account to do with TikTok Shop, they came back to me and said that they have processed the order and they're sending me that free product. Like I say, I have ordered that product off of Amazon just because I wanted it in quicker. But just to show you guys that you don't really need to spend money to go ahead and do this off the bat. You can literally start with just your phone and some kind of editing software like CapCut. You can even probably edit in TikTok if you want. But yeah, if you want to actually make high quality videos, you just really need a phone, and then also, like I say, somewhere to edit, and then a few little props here and there that you can be creative with. You literally can do it from your house if you have internet. But yeah, that's it for day one. Nothing special. Hopefully we can pick it up in this challenge a little bit more. Like I say, I do have very limited time, so I'm not even sure how well this challenge is going to go, but I want to be trying to hit 5 posts a day to then even have a chance of one doing well. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I guess we'll see what happens throughout this challenge. Yes boys, just been filming some videos, as you can see, got the trusty old harness on, but I just made my first sale of TikTok Shop, and it's crazy because of the fact that the video has 565 views. It was about this vitamin D thing, and I literally just stole the audio from someone else and just took my own recordings and made the video. But yeah, made my first sale, so £1 in commission, nothing crazy. But it just goes to show that if you get a viral video, there really is a lot of money to be made on TikTok Shop. Like I say, it's £1, but the main reason I'm happy about it is just because of the fact that I'm 2 days in. Honestly, I haven't posted anywhere near enough videos. I need to get more efficient at making the videos. Maybe be a bit less of a perfectionist with the videos, trying to perfect them too much and just get loads of content out. But yeah, it's given me proof of concept. It's showing me that there is actually possibility to make money of this. So, which I mean, I already knew, but at the same time, you know, it's just reinforced it when you see it for yourself. Now that video seems to have slowed down. It's sitting around 565 and it's sort of stopped. I'm hoping it starts to go up again and continue, because clearly that video has a decent conversion rate considering the fact it's only got 500 views and made 1 sale. And I have heard with TikTok Shop, the main metric they look for is conversion rate. So I'm hoping this video can pick up, because if it does, then it could make me some good money. But anyways, I'm gonna get back to making content for TikTok Shop because I need to bulk up content for today and tomorrow. Okay, right, so today is the end of day 3, and to be honest, like I say, today I was very busy, so I actually managed to not really post any videos. I only managed to post 1. If I'm looking tired, it's just literally the end of a day. I've been out all day, and as soon as I got back from being out, I decided to make a video. With that being said, I did have a video from yesterday start picking up and getting some views, so that video went from 1,000 to now 3,000 views. However, in that time period, it only made 1 sale, so we're sitting at 1 sale for the day, 3 days into the challenge. Like I say though, all it takes is that one video to blow up. Hopefully this one can keep going, the one that's on 3k views. And then if you get a video to blow up, you're going to make some good money off of that video. But I wanted to make some updates for you guys. So a free product I requested from TikTok Shop came, and it came very quickly within like 2 days, just to show you guys, to those of you guys that say, oh, you don't have any money to start. You make a few videos at the start to like show your skills, and then you sort of request some free products. Then some of these companies are just going to send you out free products because they want you to advertise their products for free, which is going to make them more money. Now, with that being said, honestly, you don't even need the product. My video that has the most views right now, the one that's sitting on around 3,000, I don't even have that product. I went to buy it off Amazon, and the product said it was going to come on the 8th of September. So I was like, there's no point in me even buying it. So I just basically was just showing pictures of it that I got off Safari on my MacBook. So you don't actually need the product, just to show you guys, like I say, you can start for totally free. You just got to grow yourself an account to 1.2 thousand followers if you want to do it for totally free, and then yeah, you can get started. Now, final thing I will say for today is I feel like I've cracked the code of making videos more efficiently. So tomorrow I'm going to try and pump out a bunch of videos, because yeah, once I got in, I made a video and I managed to make it very efficiently. Like this video took me like half an hour to make, so we'll see how it gets on overnight. I have posted it. So yeah, tomorrow that's the goal. We're just going to try and make some more videos and make them quicker, because sometimes some of the simpler videos outperform the videos that you try and make too crazy. But yes, that is pretty much it for day 3. Like I say, today not the best day, but hopefully for the second half of this challenge we can push hard and actually get some decent results. So I'll see you guys in day 4. Okay, right, so today is the end of day 4. I didn't really document much today, and to be honest, that's because there wasn't really too much to document. At this point, it's just the same thing. It's rinsing and repeating. I'm just making videos, uploading them. Today I managed to post 4 videos, however 2 of them were very kind of just spammy, low quality content videos. So yeah, they didn't really get too many views, but one of them made a sale. I did make 3 sales again today, so once again, that's £3. There is nothing extraordinary happening here. I need a video to go viral in order to actually make any money that's worth me speaking about or even getting excited about. So that's kind of what I've noticed with TikTok Shop so far. While you can make money from the start, which is great, like there's no other business model really that you make money this quickly, so long as you obviously have that account that you can earn money from. It's hard, like you're not gonna make good money quickly unless you get a video to go viral. So that's really the aim of the game now. I just gotta keep trying, keep putting out as many videos as I can. Good quality videos that have done well for other people, recreating them in my own style, trying to make them do better so I can get like videos of a couple million views, and that is how you're going to make some big money with TikTok Shop affiliate. I'm starting to get better. I've had a few videos now get like 4,000 views or a couple thousand views, but yeah, in reality with TikTok Shop you need that video to get a couple 100,000 views in order to make a couple £100, or a video to get a couple million views in order to make a few £1,000 with TikTok Shop affiliate. So like I say, seven days isn't really a very long period, but we're going to see what we can do in this period. We're about halfway, but that is pretty much it for now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 5. We're now at the end of day 5, and once again, I haven't really been updating you guys. There's nothing really going on. Like, I'm just making videos at the minute. Today I made another 3 videos, posted 3 videos. However, one of them had a problem. It got ineligible for the For You feed because something to do with alcohol and smoking, even though the video has nothing to do with that. I actually just appealed it, and the video is now getting views. It's sitting around 800. But yeah, posted a video this morning, got 4,000 views, got me 3 sales. Posted another one, that was the one that had a problem. And then posted another one, which is now about 1.5 thousand views. I don't think any sales yet. So today, so far, when I last checked, we had 3 sales, so nothing crazy once again. But I'm still making money with the page, I suppose. In reality, at this point, in terms of the 7-day challenge, it doesn't really look too promising, but with that being said, it does just take one video to explode for you to actually make good money with this. It's kind of like that with anything on social media, to be honest. You just need a few videos to explode, and then you can make some good money with whatever it may be. The thing that I have learned so far is that this is legitimate, and it is something that works clearly, because I'm making sales, even though I'm not getting many views. And the thing that is hard with TikTok Shop is getting views, because obviously you're basically making ads for the company, which makes it a lot harder to get views in traditional pages, and which is why when you look at a lot of these TikTok Shop pages, a bunch of them will have no views on their videos, but they'll have a couple of them that have 100,000, a few 100,000, a million, and those are going to be the ones that are making them the thousands of dollars or pounds that they're making per month. The rest of the videos are getting a couple hundred views. They're just literally lottery tickets to see if they can go another viral video. So one thing that has been decent with my page so far is the views have consistently been around like 1,000 and up, which is pretty good considering when I look at a lot of other affiliates pages, some of them are getting like a couple hundred views, and they'll have the few that do well. But I think, to be honest, for me to have got some of those insane results, I probably should have been putting out more content throughout this challenge. I've been doing like 3 a day minimum really, but at the same time, I probably should have been putting out maybe 5 a day. That would give me a bit more of a chance, because once again, that's an extra 2 chances per day for me to go viral on the page. So for these last couple of days, I'm going to try and make sure I hit 5 posts a day, and we'll see what happens. Maybe an older video that I posted could blow up. You never know, there's so many things that could happen. So stick around and keep watching, because we don't know what's going to happen in this challenge yet. But yeah, hopefully we get one video to blow up and I can show you guys some cool results. Apart from that, that's pretty much it for today, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Now for this challenge, fortunately, I already had an account with 1.2k followers that then allowed me to obviously have access to TikTok Shop just from an account that I tried to grow before and then ended up giving up on. However, if I didn't have this account and I didn't have the time, or I couldn't be bothered to grow a page from scratch, then I would go ahead and buy an account from Tick Accounts. On Tick Accounts, you can purchase a bunch of accounts that are already monetized and that have been organically grown. They sell all different types of accounts, but for this challenge, I obviously would have been interested in the TikTok Shop accounts. These also allow you to try TikTok Shop from anywhere in the world. So obviously, if you're not from the UK or the US, you can't really do TikTok Shop right now. However, if you buy one of these accounts, I believe you can start playing around with TikTok Shop. So if you guys are interested in purchasing any type of accounts, I'll leave them linked in the description. And fortunately, as I know the owner of Tick Accounts, I've managed to get you guys a discount code that you can use. So use code JoeSpeety5 for a 5% discount at checkout. Anyways, back to the challenge. Okay, so today's the last day, meaning that it is of course day 7. And so far, once again, nothing crazy has happened. It has literally been, I think today I've even made 1 sale. It has been a little bit harder today as I've been trying to get those last minute things done before I go away. However, so far I've posted 2 videos and I'm going to be posting 1 more. There is a fair few hours left in the day. So yeah, I'll keep you guys updated if anything happens in those few hours. But yeah, honestly, it's not looking too promising for me to hit that £250 goal. However, what I will say is keep watching, because although this is a 7-day challenge, I'm going to leave the account. So if a video starts blowing up on the account out of nowhere, I'll give you guys a full review afterwards. Once I am likely to buy, I'll film a little review for you guys and let you know what I thought of the experience, what TikTok Shop Affiliate is like, and what you can expect. But just quickly to mention on that, I do think that TikTok Shop Affiliate is legit, and like you can make good money doing it. Obviously, I made money off the bat. Like there's not many things where you can start making money from day 1. So yeah, throughout this challenge, honestly, I'm not even sure how much I've made. It probably has been like 20 to 25 pounds, which isn't a lot, but considering it's 7 days in, if I was doing something else like an Instagram theme page or something like YouTube Shorts or even the TikTok creativity program, although maybe there is potential to make obviously big money down the line, which there is with all of those business models, as I have shown you in the past and will continue to show you, it still takes a lot longer to build them up. You can't just start earning money from day 1. So that is definitely one thing that has shocked me with TikTok Shop. And then finally, while this challenge wasn't anything outstanding, if you guys did enjoy this challenge and you like me actually showing you the behind the scenes and not just showing you only the successes of challenges, and you want me to do more of these challenges, then let me know what you want to see me do. But apart from that, I'll check in with you guys in a few days when I am hopefully in Dubai, letting you know if any video did blow up out of nowhere and make me that £250, and then I'll also give you my final thoughts on this 7-day challenge. Okay, right, so I'm currently in Dubai, and what I've noticed is with TikTok Shop, like while I've been here, I haven't posted a video. However, with that being said, one thing I have noticed is I can post videos. That is one thing that is good. It means that definitely all you need is a monetized account that of course you can get from Tik accounts that I would have mentioned earlier in the video. And the next point being, if you already have a monetized account and you want to travel and make money with TikTok Shop, you still can. And then of course, one of the videos I was hoping would blow up and make me some good money with TikTok Shop didn't really happen. But what I will say is that the whole time I've been here, I've made at least one sale every single day, just because of the fact that the videos have been getting at least a couple hundred views per day, even though they're not blowing up. So it definitely is an interesting like business model that I've tried. Like I say, if it's only 7 days, I do want to maybe experiment with it and try it a bit longer. But yeah, I'm actually filming this towards the end of my Dubai trip. So once I'm back in the UK, I'll show you guys the analytics and I'll show you guys how many sales we made on which days. And then yeah, it'll be the sales for the whole time, because although it was a 7-day challenge, I only made videos for 7 days. And after that, all the sales that have come afterwards is still from the work that I put in those 7 days. That is one thing that is cool about this business model. Of course, anything online business, that's the thing that's cool. You put the time in up front and then you can keep getting paid down the line. But yeah, that's pretty much everything. So I'll see you guys when I'm back in the UK. Okay, right. So I now just got back from Dubai. This is literally my first day back. I landed this morning and there were some updates and I haven't posted this video yet. So what I am going to say is today is my highest earning day, which is kind of crazy because I literally haven't posted a video in about 8 or 9 days on this TikTok account. And today, even though it wasn't anything outrageous, I did make £10 with TikTok Shop, which like I say, is not really a lot of money, but at the same time, it is something that's interesting. The thing that's really shocking me about this is the fact that I literally haven't posted or been active on this account in 8 or 9 days, and it is making £10 today. Because obviously with most short form content and the type of money you're making from these short form content accounts, it is likely that your videos sort of go like this. They come up and then come down. So it's pretty like, you know, your video blows up or it doesn't. So it's kind of interesting that it works this way with TikTok Shop, like out of the blue, it can just continue getting loads of little views and then all of a sudden it can start taking off. So there's one video that has been, like, I guess you could say blowing up. It's only on 18,000 views and that video made the whole 10 sales that I made today, which obviously made me the £10. So hopefully this video can keep going and maybe it's even getting backed by ads by the brands. So that's another thing that's interesting about TikTok Shop. If the brands start to push it by paying for ads on your videos, then obviously you're going to get even more commission and your video is going to get pushed out even more. So I guess I'll keep you guys updated until this video is posted. Okay, right, so I'm now recording the outro for this video. So this is obviously the last little update I'm going to give you guys, but I'm just going to give you the statistics and the full rundown. So in total, we made a grand total of £53 currently with TikTok Shop. Now, while this is nothing groundbreaking or nothing outstanding, I was obviously rushing this challenge. So considering the fact I didn't put that many hours into it and I started earning like within the first 7 days, I think it's quite an interesting business model and I kind of want to do a part 2 to this. So if you guys do want to see that, then let me know. But as for the statistics, obviously the 7-day challenge was actually in August, and in August I did go ahead and make £23 in total. Now I did actually make a couple more sales on this, but due to people cancelling them or for other reasons, you don't actually get the full like amount of sales either, because obviously they get refunded or whatever. But anyways, £23 in August, and then in September, which is the crazy part, I actually went ahead and made £30. And considering I literally didn't post one single video on this account in September, so that is obviously something that is interesting and something that you guys should consider, how you can spend a little bit of time making videos and then, you know, you might still be getting paid from those videos in the next month after, or even the next 2 months after. Now, in terms of the products that I actually did go ahead and sell on this page, I've done a few different videos on different things, and the only real ones that made sales was this one and then another one, which is some vitamin D3 supplement that I literally don't have in hand. Like I mentioned, it was one I talked about where it was going to take forever to come from Amazon, so I just didn't get it. I made videos for that product literally by filming my laptop screen. I had a picture of it from Google. So once again, just to show you guys, you can start this up with like no money. These, I did pay for them on Amazon, but then I did get a free sample also from FreeSoul. Like they sent me out a free sample when I requested it. So now I've got like 3 tubs of these. So yeah, you can get free samples. You can also just start off by just filming your laptop if you want to show the product and make videos that way. I've seen people go viral that way and make thousands with that method. Or you can also go ahead and try AI style videos. I personally haven't tried this on this page yet, but that is something else you can do, once again, if you don't want to spend the money up front. But while I didn't hit the goal for the challenge, this has definitely given me proof of concept with TikTok Shop, and I do want to experiment it with a bit more, especially when I probably have a bit more time to play around with it and make some more videos. I know that it's possible, and this challenge should sort of show me it's possible. Like, I didn't really get any crazy results in terms of views. I got some okay results, and that led to some okay results in terms of payment. But if you get a video to go viral, I know there's some serious money to be made here, and because of that, I kind of want to show you guys. But anyways, that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, then please be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And apart from that, I hope to see you guys in the next one.